This energy meter works with the latest ZigBee 3.0 protocol, and you can use it to measure your power consumption. It offers 4-quadrant measurement and can handle up to 200 amps per phase. Plus, it's compatible with solar and wind power, and it comes factory calibrated with over 99% accuracy. To set it up, connect the neutral wire and the live wire for phase A. Make sure to thread the current transformer around the live wire. Just a heads up, the current has a direction, so if it's wrong, you can flip it if needed. Then plug the connector into IA. Next, let's add the device to Azula. Open the app and add a new ZigBee device. Press the reset button on the device 5 times until the indicator light flashes quickly, and it'll be added. Once that's done, long press to enter the power meter, and you can check out the measurement results, including total active power, total reactive power, total apparent power total meter, power AC frequency, neutral line current. You can also check the effective voltage, effective current, active power, reactive power, apparent power, and power factor for each phase. For a 3-phase circuit, start by connecting the neutral wire, then connect the live wires for each phase to the corresponding ports, A, B, and C. Next, thread each current transformer around the live wires and plug them into IA, IB, and IC. Once that's set up, you can view the measurement results in Azula. Since we're filming in a single-phase area, we're actually demonstrating with 3 single-phase setups. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.